Today's video is going to be about how to spot trade on Binance.com. This is one of the most used crypto exchanges around the world, and for that reason, it has a lot of volume and a lot of other features that normal centralized exchanges wouldn't have. It's really well known, and a lot of traders around the world use it. And pretty much every trader is on Binance nowadays. And this is probably the only centralized exchange out there that has the most amount of volume per day. So allows you to trade on like really good and stable prices for any crypto that you're really looking for. It also has a lot of a decent amount of coins that gives you that upper hand when it comes to just trading any crypto overall. So first things first, you could open any browser of your choice and you could head over to binance.com, and you are going to see a interface like this. uh Nothing really going on here, just some like things about Binance on the front page. So the first thing that's really important is you have to make an account with Binance. Now Binance is really well known, and it's also uh, has a really nice security system. So what they do is you need to log in or sign up. They're going to ask you for your phone number for sure. They're also going to ask you for your two-factor authentication verification as well. And then since it's Binance and security is everything, so you also have to do your KYC verification, which is also know your customer verification. And after you've done those and they have been successfully approved by Binance, then you will really be able to access like all of the features on Binance. So one, I'm assuming you guys have done that. You already have an account and you're just looking forward to like how to trade. So that's when it comes to making a account with Binance. The next thing is to deposit some crypto. Obviously, just deposit enough that's good for you. Obviously, not a financial advisor, but deposit whatever is really enough or good for you. Don't deposit recklessly or anything like that. So once you have made an account with Binance and you have your crypto ready, it doesn't matter in which currency it is. We will also go through how to like buy and sell in spot. So anyways, you're on this page, you're logged in, you have your crypto. You are going to hover over the trade tab and select spot. We're not doing margins or any other like futures trading in this tutorial, just simple spot buy and sell. So once you click spot, it's going to take us to our charts and our order book, order history, all that important stuff. So as a beginner, right? Um, it's gonna look overwhelming at first, for sure, but you don't really have to worry about all this. This is just all information about the trade and the coin itself. So whatever crypto you have deposited, right? Make sure to select it from here. You could search up the crypto you currently have and swap it out for USDT. USDT is like a universal stablecoin pair that works around all exchanges and allows you to swap your crypto for the stablecoin. So whatever crypto you have, swap it for USDT. Or if you even don't know how to do that, that's going to be the tutorial today. And so whatever crypto it is, you could either search it or select it from these pairs. I'm pretty sure you have to use USDT because that has the most volume and that's like the most used stablecoin for trading. So once you have your coin selected, in our case, we'll take BTC, and it says 10x, but we're not doing 10x. That's just there for like people who are doing leverage and all that. For us, if you scroll down, you see spot is selected right here. So we know we're good. We're trading spot, and this is chart, nothing going on really there. Um, so we're not doing cross, isolate, or anything like that. Just a spot and click on market. Now the reason I'm not doing limit order is because limit order works differently. It's like you are buying at a certain price and you're selling at a certain price. So in our case, we need to buy instantly and sell instantly. So for that, we're going to use market. So when you click on market, it says best market price or the market price, whatever the market price is currently going on for Bitcoin. That's all that's going to apply. So it says login here, but when you guys log in, it's going to say buy. So nothing to worry about there. So you're going to put in the amount of USDT you have because that's the pair, right? We're trading Bitcoin with USDT. So in our case, we have to buy Bitcoin. So whatever amount of USDT you guys want to buy in, you guys could put in that number all or also use it using your slider, right? Depending on your portfolio size. So you put in your number and you press buy and you're going to go into your order history. It's going to show you if like when your order has been filled and for what price it bought the Bitcoin for you and how much was it, all like the important stuff here. And selling, nothing different there. You're gonna still be in spot, you're still gonna be in market, and you're gonna sell Bitcoin, right? We're not selling USDT because that's what we have. We have Bitcoin, we have to sell that for USDT. You're gonna select USDT, put in the amount you want to sell, or use a slider, and then just hit sell, and it's gonna sell, and it's gonna show up in your order history just like any other transaction would. So that is simple spot trading on Binance. Nothing really complicated there. You guys should be able to do it over and over again. Simple spot, simple buy and sell. I'll be making more tutorials on Binance about futures and leverage and how to do all that. But today's video is just like simple buy, spot, and buy spot, simple spot sell and simple spot buy. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.